Today I am reviewing the Samsung 24-inch Odyssey G3, G30D series FHD Gaming Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to competitive gaming, the equipment you choose can make a profound difference in your overall performance. While having a powerful graphics card and a lightning-fast processor is absolutely critical, your monitor is the ultimate lens through which you experience the digital world. If your display is stuttering, lagging, or dropping frames, your system's processing power simply goes to waste. That is why competitive players consistently look for panels that offer low latency, high refresh rates, and exceptional ergonomic flexibility. Today, we are diving deep into a display engineered specifically to hit that precise sweet spot for esports enthusiasts and everyday gamers alike. The Samsung 24-inch Odyssey G3 G30D series Full HD Gaming Monitor, officially identified by the model number LS24DG302ENXCA. This display proves that you do not need to spend thousands of dollars to secure a premium, tournament-grade refresh rate and a highly customizable setup. Right out of the box, the physical design of the Odyssey G3 immediately signals that it means business. Samsung has integrated a beautiful, three-sided borderless design that looks incredibly sleek, modern, and high-end on any desktop. By minimizing the plastic bezels around the top and sides of the panel, the monitor maximizes your viewable screen space, allowing the gameplay to feel significantly more expansive and immersive. This near-frameless design is also an absolute dream for anyone planning a multi-monitor battle station. When you line up two of these displays side by side, the gap between the panels is virtually unnoticeable, giving you a seamless, wide-angle panoramic view that makes it impossible for an enemy player to slip through the cracks of your vision. The undisputed centerpiece of the Odyssey G3 is its jaw-dropping speed. Samsung has outfitted this model with a blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate. If you are upgrading from a standard 60Hz or even a 144Hz display, the difference is night and day. A higher refresh rate means the monitor updates the image on your screen 180 times per second, resulting in buttery smooth motion tracking that makes rapid camera movements feel completely fluid. In fast-paced first-person shooters, racing games, or fighting games, this speed allows you to track tracking targets with pinpoint precision. This high-speed performance is perfectly paired with a crisp 1 millisecond moving picture response time. This ultra-low latency rating eliminates distracting ghosting and motion blur trailing, which means that when you snap your mouse across the pad to make a sudden turn, the frames remain sharp, allowing you to react in absolute real-time to threats the exact millisecond they appear. To ensure that your gameplay experience remains entirely uncompromised during high-action sequences, the monitor features integrated AMD Radeon FreeSync technology. Image tearing and stuttering occur when the frame rate output of your graphics card misaligns with the static refresh rate of your monitor, splitting the image horizontally. FreeSync solves this issue by dynamically synchronization the monitor's refresh rate directly with your GPU's output. Whether your frame rates are soaring past 100 frames per second or dipping slightly during a chaotic explosion, the display adjusts on the fly to deliver a seamless, tear-free presentation that keeps you fully locked into the zone without any annoying visual interruptions. Samsung has also loaded the Odyssey G3 with a robust suite of software enhancements aimed directly at giving you a distinct tactical advantage. First up is the Black Equalizer tool. Every gamer has experienced the frustration of getting taken out by an opponent hiding in a pitch-black corner or deep shadow where they are impossible to see. The Black Equalizer allows you to dynamically adjust and brighten dark areas inside your games without overexposing the brighter sections of the map, effectively illuminating dark corners so you can spot hidden threats instantly. Additionally, the monitor includes a built-in virtual aim point feature. This overlay places a highly visible crosshair directly at the center of your screen, which drastically improves your hip-fire accuracy in shooter games, giving you a permanent aiming reference point even if the game's native UI removes your crosshairs. Understanding that competitive gaming often leads to marathon sessions stretching late into the night, Samsung paid close attention to visual health by implementing their comprehensive eye saver mode and flicker-free technology. Standard monitors emit high levels of short-wavelength blue light, which can cause significant eye strain, headaches, and sleep disruption after extended use. Eye saver mode shifts the color spectrum to minimize harmful blue light, keeping your eyes completely relaxed and comfortable during long gaming sessions. This is bolstered by flicker-free backlighting technology, which eliminates the subtle, invisible screen flickering that rapidly fatigues your eye muscles over time, allowing you to maintain peak focus and clarity for much longer without burning out. Finally, the ergonomics of this monitor are arguably some of the best in its class. Samsung includes a fully adjustable premium stand that gives you complete control over your viewing angles. You can adjust the height up and down to match your eye level, tilt it forward or backward to combat room glare, and swivel it left or right to share your screen with a friend. It even features a full 90-degree pivot option, allowing you to turn the monitor completely vertical. This portrait mode orientation is incredibly useful for streamers who want a dedicated chat monitor, coders reviewing long blocks of script, or reading long documents. To sum it all up, the Samsung 24-inch Odyssey G3 is an outstanding, hyper-responsive gaming monitor that checks every single box for competitive and casual players alike. By combining a stellar 180 Hz refresh rate, a 1 millisecond response time, AMD FreeSync, and a remarkably flexible ergonomic stand into an affordable package, Samsung has delivered a masterclass in display value. It is fast, smooth, highly customizable, and explicitly designed to help you perform at your absolute best. Thank you so much for listening to this comprehensive review, and good luck out there on the battlefield.